Why does the doorbell always ring at the worst possible time? Wrong timing. Too high to reach. Hands full. No one home. Sometimes you're not even sure who's at the door. Now, meet the Smrtiplx Video Smart Lock, a smart doorbell, security camera, lock and monitoring screen, all in one. Now, you can easily see who's at the door, right from inside. Is someone coming to greet me? Of course. Smart unlocking brings your loved ones home.
Just like my little hero.
Hey, open the door, please.
Can't use your phone? Just say,
Alexa, open the door.
the door is open. Not at home? No worries. You can respond remotely. I see you've arrived. I'll be back soon.
So cool!
Infrared human detection. You'll get notified instantly. With active wake-up monitoring, your doorstep is protected 24/7.
Wait, only this? We have more for you.
Worried about installation? Just check her out. It's that simple. You can also open the door like this. Store up to 100 fingerprints for fast, secure entry. Smrtiplx Video Smart Lock, Smart Home. Get notified instantly.